Looking to get started with Profound.js, a Profound Logic Node.js-based solution built specifically for developers? Then you're in the right place. This video will walk you through how to install Profound.js locally. In Profound.js 6, Profound.js and Profound API are separate from Profound UI, meaning that users who are only interested in developing new applications with Profound.js or APIs with Profound API will no longer need to install Profound UI. However, Profound.js and Profound UI can still be used together, but this is now optional. In the following video, I'll show you how to open a command line using shell or git bash and the options you have there. I'll show you how to create a directory to install Profound.js into. I'll walk you through the npm install Profound.js command and all the installation prompts that come after that. And then I'll show you how to launch Profound.js on your browser and get started building. Now let's get into it. To get started, you can either open up a Windows PowerShell command line or a git bash command line. If you choose to use git bash like this on the right, please keep in mind that you'll need to install some extra software. In this example, I'll be using the Windows PowerShell command line to install Profound.js locally onto my system. Now I'm going to navigate to my Documents directory with the cd command. Within the Documents directory, I'm going to use mkdir to create a folder called Profound.js. Now I'm going to navigate into Profound.js and use the npm install command to install Profound.js. Once the installation has run through, I'm going to complete it with the node complete install.js command as instructed here. Now let me walk you through the installation prompts. This first question is specify the static files directory. I'm going to leave that as the default htdocs. The next question is a unique port number for this instance. If you have not installed Profound.js on your system, you can use the default 8081. I have, so I'm going to use a different unique port number. Now it's asking me if I want to download a copy of the PUI static files. I'm going to say no. If you would like a copy, use Y or yes. Profound.js installation has completed, and to start it up, I'm going to run the command node start.js. Over in my browser, I'm going to go to the URL localhost :8086, which is the port we specified, /IDE/ to open up the IDE and start developing new applications.